Hi mga friends, it's me, Almi Astel of Imisum Living Kitchen. Today, magluluto tayo ng easy recipe of broccoli and chicken. So, kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Imisum Living, and stay tuned. Mag-umpisa po tayo mamaya. Okay, let's start cooking. So, meron tayong broccoli dito. And mushroom. And garlic and onion. And yung chicken thigh natin. Chop ng cubes. And for the sauce, 1 cup of chicken broth. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Yan, i-mix lang po natin. And set aside natin. After this, and turn on the stove. And preheat na natin yung kawali natin. Then, lagay na natin yung cooking oil. Then, we're going to fry our chicken. Put on the chicken, yung kinakat natin ng cubes. And i-fry natin until golden brown. Good side. Ito na po. Ano na po natin siya. Flip na po natin. Kung mag-brown na po siya, then, okay na po yan. Kasi madali lang itong maluto. Kasi ano lang, manipis. Ayan. Ayan na. So, luto na po to. I think 3 minutes lang. Okay na. 3 to 5 minutes. Magpa-brown na siya. Ayan. Kunin, sit aside na po natin. Sit aside natin to. Ayan. So, in same pan, ilagay na natin yung garlic natin. Fry natin ng 3 minutes. Saka yung onion. Lagyan na natin. Yung onion natin. So, fry natin ng 3 minutes. Kung ma-smell na nyo, kung maamoy na nyo yung bango ng onion, yan na, luto na yan. Kung may narinig kayo na voice, ang anak ko po yan. Ayan, after 3 minutes, lagay na natin yung broccoli. Tapos, lutuin na, ipifry din natin ng 3 minutes. Ayan. Fry na natin yan. 3 minutes. So, cover lang natin. And after 3 minutes, ito na po. Yan na. So, ilagay na natin yung mushroom. Kasi yung mushroom na ginamit ko dito, guys, is just in a can. 1 can of mushroom. So, kung nagamit kayo ng fresh, mas okay. And, mas yummy din. Kasi fresh. So, yung gamit ko dito, kaya hinuli ko yung mushroom din kasi luto na yung mushroom ang kana. So yan, hinuli ko nang lagay ng before sa broccoli. So after sa broccoli na. So i-add natin yung sauce na ginawa natin kanina. So, stir lang natin. Yan. Stir lang natin. Tapos maglagay din tayo ng water. Okay, half cup of water, lagay na natin. Yan, tapos continue stirring. Yan, yan, lagay na natin. Tapos hintayin lang natin na ano na yon yung sauce niya. Mag-thicker yung sauce niya. Yan. So about just like minute. Then add natin yung chicken. Yung pina-fry natin kanina, i-add natin. Ito na. Kasi luto na to. So i-mix lang natin. Just a minute. Yan. Yan. Yan na po. So, nakita niyo ba guys? It's just very quick. Kung nagmamadali kayo, kung may bisita kayo, this is just very quick. Easy and delicious recipe. Easy with broccoli. Right? At masustansya. Healthy food. Yan. Okay na to guys. Pwede na natin tong i-serve. And I know your family will enjoy it and they will like this. I am sure to that. Hungry na po ako. Gusto ko na kumain. Okay guys, if you enjoy watching me cooking, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, Misum Living. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.